Need to design a professional looking rap album cover, but don't have the required tools to do so? Well, what if I told you that there's an easy way you can change that using Place's online album cover maker? From finding a suitable template to customizing and making it your own, the entire process is as easy as it can get, as we will see in the following moments. I'm Andrew, and you're watching an Envato Tuts Plus tutorial. We're going to start by heading over to the Place website, where you'll want to take the time and set up a new account, since you're going to need it later on in order to download the final design. Once you're ready, we can access the tool by heading over to Designs, and then clicking on Album Covers. As soon as the page loads, we'll be able to scroll through all the available covers, which we can filter using the left-sided tags menu or by using the dedicated search bar. In order to save some time, I already went ahead and picked up this template that I really liked, which I'm going to customize in the following moments. No matter which album cover you end up using, the editing layout will mostly be the same. On the left side, we'll have all our text-related options, while on the right one we'll find all the background and graphics-related ones. To change any of the default text, all we have to do is click on its corresponding input box and then replace the preview one with our own. We can adjust any given text segment by changing its font and even its color using the underlying drop-down lists. When it comes to colors, we can either go with one of the predefined values, or we can click on More and define a custom one of our own. If needed, we can actually hide any text segment by clicking on the little checkbox found in front of it, or we can add a new one using the Add Another Text button. Once we've finished adjusting the text section of our template, we can move on to the right side of the page, where we'll start customizing the actual design. The first two options that we'll see here allow us to control the look and feel of the gradient overlay. Depending on what we're trying to achieve, we can easily adjust either the up color or the down color, or even both, in order to push the design into the desired direction. If we move on down, we have the option of adding another graphic element, but for this example, I'm going to keep things simple. We then have Icon, which allows us to choose a custom graphic for the bottom section of our template. I'm going to replace the default sneaker one with a sound wave by first entering the desired keyword within the dedicated search bar and then simply clicking on the graphic that I want to use. I could then give it a custom color using the drop-down list, but for this example, white will work just fine. Finally, we have background, which allows us to choose from one of the provided images, or upload a custom one of our own using the custom image button. If we want to, we can actually remove the background image completely and go with a solid color instead. In my case, I'm going to go with this photo since I really like how it adds to the feel that I'm going for. Since the template supports interactive editing, we can easily adjust the position of its composing elements by first selecting them in order to bring up their bounding box, and then simply clicking and dragging them into the desired direction. We can also resize them by hovering over their bounding box's corners, and then clicking and dragging them either outwards or inwards, depending on what we're trying to achieve. If for some reason we aren't happy with the adjustments, we can easily undo all the changes by using the Reset Layout button. Once we finish customizing the template, we can go ahead and download the resulting design by simply clicking on the download button, which will charge us a small fee every time we use it. So there you have it, a simple and easy way to design your own album cover using nothing more than a couple of clicks here and there. That being said, I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.